Every day before you start your day, you have to get your sterilisers up to temperature with constantly flowing water. This takes time. We tested this immersion system with the most minimal flow of water and it took over an hour. This is time being wasted, this is electricity being wasted, this is money being wasted. With the Econoliser, this is a thing of the past. Heating up in under 90 seconds thanks to its localised water tank, reducing water flow, electricity costs and starting time, meaning you can get your staff to work quicker, saving you money every single day. In the next video, we will show you just how much water the Econoliser can actually save you every hour of every day.